What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Negroku, and today I'm going to show you how to go from here to here. What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be working on a few cosplay items, some commissions that I'm working on. It's a RWBY piece, like a buckle that I 3D printed that I'll put the time-lapse up here. Yeah, it was pretty fun to make. It was pretty fun to design, pretty fun to print, whatever. It didn't take that long to print, which was rare because my print usually takes forever to make prints or whatever. So this is the area that we're going to be working on. As you can see, it's already got the prop here. I'll give you guys a walk around it. It didn't complete where I wanted the design to go down to, so I'm just going to make some cuts in there myself and make it look more like the actual model. Our drawing, design, whatever. I'm actually not too familiar with RWBY. I didn't watch much of it. I did watch some, but like not too much. I think that's it. Oh yeah, here's some of the other props I'm working on. I'm making a mold for a Diva gun here. These horns for something for cheeks, and I'll be finishing this week. So anyway, let's get to the sanding. Is it gonna focus? Focus. Well, I'll show you guys what it looks like up close when you're sanding with the squadron putty. I don't know if it's really, there it is, that's a little better, yeah? So, you know, it still looks kind of clumpy, but you know, I'm gonna give it a few whacks with this thing here. This is 120 Gator, and then I'm gonna get it on smoother and smoother as we talked about before. Like I said, I could do more time lapses of things if you guys want me to, but you know, I don't want to make the whole video time lapses unless it's what you guys want. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but what I'm doing right here is I'm actually, let's see if this is focusing, kind of. I'm filing this area down here with this file. Let's make this point. And on this side also, it's not even right now, but I'm gonna even it out, you know, and straighten it all out and whatnot. Yeah, and then from there I'll probably get to putting in the filler primer, which will make up for the micro lines that you guys probably can't tell from the way I'm filming, but there are some in there. And then we'll get the paint. Okay, so it's Sunday. I know I was supposed to ship this out on Saturday, but I kind of got in a car wreck and this gold didn't come out right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it down and I'm going to paint it with more of a cartoony gold. And then I'll fill in these areas with dark resin and this piece will be finished. So yeah, let's get to that. And I found a color that I like. I'll put it on the screen there. It was the one that she chose. I bought a whole bunch of other gold paints just because I wanted to try them out. And I'll put another picture here so you can check those out. So the next step is to actually fill in these recesses here with this amazing clear cast stuff. This resin, 2-part clear resin. Is it gonna focus? There we go, amazing clear cast. Hey! So yeah, this is what I'm using to make the actual inside parts here. Normally I would like dye the resin itself, but I don't have any of the dye stuff with me. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm actually going to paint these areas a darker color, the darker color for, like, it's like a dark brown rustish color. And I'm gonna fill in these areas with the paint and then go back afterwards with this clear cast resin. And we'll see how it turns out. Should be okay. This isn't messy at all, and that's a lie. It's completely messy. Okay, so it's finished. What I'm going to do next though is I'm going to apply a little bit more of this here. That sounds a little crazy, but what it is, it's like a floor wax. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it on some of this gold here just to protect the finish. I let it sit out for a while so I could actually get, you know, get a little bit more of a worn look, because it was looking a little too bright in the very beginning. And I like the way it came out. Again, this is the Krylon Max Gold. And if you were questioning or wondering, this is how this prop started. 3D printed. I think I set it on medium settings. This is PLA. You can see I did some adding here, then there, to make it actually fit the prop, the actual prop that I was going for. You can look in recesses here. I put resin on the insides. I'll put some on the screen. The resin's clear. I actually painted the underside of this to achieve this look. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually paint this black on the back and then put some loops here and here, and it'll be able to be used with a belt. I think that's it. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below and I can answer them for you.